Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of the React.js. In this video, we are going to learn about the Google authentication using the Firebase. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. I'm going to divide this video into the three sections. First section, that is sign in with the Google. Second, you can log in with the registered username and the password. Okay, these two things we are going to cover in this video. Okay, first I will just in the first part I'm going to tell you about the sign in with the Google. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to create the Firebase account for this. Okay, so let's go and check out the Firebase account. So let's go Firebase console, right? So here we have the Firebase console. Okay, so those who haven't know about the Firebase console, so you need to create the project over it. If you want, I will go to and create a new project, but currently I have already created the project. So I will tell you what exactly we have done. Okay, so in the creating a project, if you're finding the issue, then you can let me know in the comment section. This is the phone number which we have already done, right? Now you move to the authentication. Okay, then we have a sign in methods, right? Sign in methods, we have enabled the email and password, phone and the Google, right? These three things are enabled. If I go to the add a new provider, we have enabled the Google, email and password and the phone. Cur- in the coming videos we can try to with the GitHub, Twitter and the Facebook. Okay, we can also use the Firebase authentication with the Facebook, GitHub and the Twitter, but currently we are using the Google. So you need to enable this one, right? This is enabled. Okay, after this you have to go to the project settings. Okay, and here we have a general settings. So we required all of these details, that is API key, auth domain, database URL, project ID, storage bucket, message sender ID, app ID and environment ID. All these required for the data Firebase connection. Okay, so this configuration we require. If we go to the code, this is the structure. We have a source, app.js, Firebase config, we have the API key, author domain project that which I'm showing over here. We have to copy it from this one, right? These things we require. Firebase.config.js, you need to create this file and add this variables over here. Okay, done. Moving to the index.js, where we have this one. Okay, this is the default index.js, right? Then we have the main file that is called app.js and app.css. CSS just basically for this part, like coloring and something, you can make it accordingly, right? The main thing, that is the basic functionalities. Go to the app.js, which is the main file, right? For that one, Firebase auth, you need to install this package, npm package. Okay, so don't forget to add this Firebase app and the Firebase auth. If I go and check the package.json, you can also find this both of them, Firebase auth and the Firebase app. You need to initialize and add this package. Okay, after doing that, you initialize this app, get all the methods, get auth, sign in with the pop-up, Google Auth provider, sign out, create with email and the password, sign in with the email and the password. So email with the password we have already done in the next video, but currently we are going with the login with the Google. Okay, so for that we are using the Google Auth provider, right? So here we go. So first of all, we go with step by step. So we have this one. Okay, so first of all we go with this one. This is email and the password thing. So this is the sign in with the Google. So we have the button on click handle sign in with the Google. You can see that here we have a sign in with the Google, right? So we have a sign in with Google. If I go and click on the sign in with the Google, what it will do? Get auth, sign in with the pop-up. Okay, so it will open the pop-up where authentication process done. Okay, credentials. Okay, so when you Google Auth provider credentials from the result, you need to pass all the results over here. SS token. Then you will set all the information in the sign in user. Else you can catch the error if it is something error over here, right? Error message is coming, so you can add the error in the sign in pop-up, right? So this is the full function that we are going to use for the Google sign in. This is the full function, right? So you can see that catch and the try. If we have the photo URL, you can also get the photo URL, display name and everything. Okay, so this when you click on the pop-up, let's see, When I click on this sign in pop-up, so you will see that there is a pop-up is opening. Okay, so I can log in with anything. So I'm going to log in with my email. So here you can see that my photo, my email, or my name, that is Stack Magento. So you can see that my this is I'm completely logged in with my account. Now you can see that my all information is over here, right? This is the login with the Google, right? Now I have the another functionality that is called the sign out. If I'm logged in, then I need to sign out also on the same note. Then Firebase Authentication provides the sign out account also. So I'm going to do the same process of the logout with the Google. So let's have a look on that also. So here we go with this another one. So this is the sign up with the pop-up, right? Now we are going to do with the logout functionality, right? So here we have the, this is sign in process is done. Okay, all the information like email and the photo is done, right? Now we have the sign out functionality. Okay, sign out functionality is over here. Okay, get auth, sign out, auth we have to pass. Then we have to in sign in, I'm going to make it false. When I try to sign in, I have already make it like you can see that when I try to logged in, you can see that in sign in is to be true. Okay, when I try to be logged out, then I make it to be false. Okay, I have make it false, then name, email, and the photo all to be empty, and set the users to be whatever the object we have, then sign out. Okay, so this is when I click on that one, you can see that sign out. See, I'm back again to sign in with the Google again, right? So this is the whole process. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Let me explore the whole code so that you can also write the code. Any query in that, you can just also ping me on my email or in the comment section. I will reply on that one. But it's better you can comment me on the section. I will reply on that. Okay, so I will go through the whole code once again. So here, this is the initialization of that one. Then we have the app, okay, where we have add all the states initialization over here. Then we have a two function sign in, then we have a sign out. Okay, and after that we have this one like the button, that is for this one div class app user sign in. This is a sign out on sign in button. Okay, and this is the data that we are passing, that is welcome your email, pass email, and the what's your name, email, and the photo. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.